right now, you're not alone. Inside your body, there are approximately 38 trillion bacteria. That's more than the number of human cells you have. They weigh about 4 pounds combined. They help you digest food, fight diseases, and might even influence your thoughts. Meet your microscopic roommates. Let's dive into the world of bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled organisms without a nucleus. They're among the oldest life forms on Earth, existing for over 3.5 billion years. They come in 3 basic shapes: spheres, called cocci, rods, called bacilli, and spirals. Most are so small that millions can fit on a pinhead. Simple, but incredibly successful. Bacteria live literally everywhere. In boiling hot springs, in Antarctic ice, miles underground, in the clouds. There are more bacteria in 1 gram of soil than people on Earth. Your phone has 10 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. Your kitchen sponge? It's a bacterial paradise with over 50 billion microbes per cubic centimeter. Here's a plot twist. Most bacteria are harmless or even helpful. Less than 1% cause disease. The good guys in your gut help you digest food, produce vitamins, and train your immune system. Some bacteria on your skin prevent harmful microbes from moving in. They're your microscopic bodyguards, working 24/7. Your personal collection of microbes is called your microbiome. It's as unique as your fingerprint. Twins have different microbiomes. Your gut alone contains over 1,000 different species. Scientists call it your second genome because it contains over 3 million genes compared to your measly 20,000. You're more bacteria than human, genetically speaking. Your gut bacteria can influence your brain. They produce 95% of your body's serotonin, the happiness chemical. Studies show gut bacteria affect mood, anxiety, and even food cravings. When you feel butterflies in your stomach, that's real. Scientists are exploring whether gut bacteria might help treat depression. Your mood depends on your microbes. You can't digest fiber, but your gut bacteria can. They break down foods your body can't process, extracting extra nutrients. They produce short-chain fatty acids that feed your colon cells. Without gut bacteria, you'd miss out on about 10% of your calories and essential vitamins like K and B12. They're your internal nutrition team. Bacteria reproduce insanely fast. Under perfect conditions, 1 bacterium can divide into 2 every 20 minutes. That means 1 cell can become over 8 million in just 8 hours. In 24 hours, theoretically, you'd have more bacteria than atoms in the observable universe. Thankfully, resources run out. Otherwise, bacteria would consume the entire planet in days. Some bacteria laugh at extreme conditions. Deinococcus radiodurans can survive radiation doses that would kill a human instantly. Thermophiles thrive in boiling water. Psychrophiles love freezing temperatures. Some survive in pure acid. Bacteria have even survived outside the space station for over a year. They're the ultimate survivors. Bacteria communicate through chemical signals called quorum sensing. They release molecules and count how many are around. When enough bacteria gather, they change behavior together, like glowing, forming biofilms, or becoming more aggressive. It's like bacterial democracy. They vote with chemicals and act as a group. Microscopic social networking. When bacteria stick together, they form biofilms, basically bacterial cities. The plaque on your teeth is a biofilm. Biofilms are incredibly tough, up to 1,000 times more resistant to antibiotics than free-floating bacteria. They form on medical implants, pipes, and ship hulls. Breaking them down is one of medicine's biggest challenges. Antibiotics kill bacteria by attacking their walls or reproduction. But bacteria evolve fast. Overusing antibiotics creates superbugs that resist our medicines. By 2050, Antibiotic-resistant bacteria could kill more people than cancer. We're in an arms race. Scientists are hunting for new antibiotics while bacteria keep adapting. It's evolution in fast forward. Love cheese, yogurt, or bread? Thank bacteria. Lactobacillus ferments milk into yogurt. Different bacteria create different cheese flavors. Yeast, a fungus cousin, teams up with bacteria for sourdough bread. Kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, all bacterial creations. Humans have been farming bacteria for food for thousands of years, without knowing it. Some bacteria are nature's cleanup crew. They break down oil spills, eating hydrocarbons as food. Some digest plastic, potentially solving our pollution crisis. Bacteria process sewage and clean wastewater. Scientists are engineering bacteria to eat toxic waste and even produce biofuels. These tiny creatures could save the planet. Bacteria are becoming medical tools. We engineer E. coli to produce insulin for diabetics. Other bacteria create vaccines and medicines. Fecal transplants, yes, really, transfer healthy gut bacteria to cure stubborn infections. Scientists are programming bacteria to detect and destroy cancer cells from inside, the tiniest doctors ever. Bacteria are Earth's pioneers. They appeared over 3.5 billion years ago. For 2 billion years, they were the only life on Earth. They created the oxygen we breathe by inventing photosynthesis. Your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, were once bacteria that got swallowed by larger cells. Every complex life form owes its existence to bacteria. Now for the villains. Pathogenic bacteria cause tuberculosis, cholera, plague, and food poisoning. The Black Death killed half of Europe, caused by Yersinia pestis bacteria. Salmonella sickens millions yearly. Strep throat, Lyme disease, staph infections, all bacterial. But remember, these troublemakers are less than 1% of all bacteria. Want to boost your good bacteria? Eat fiber. They love it. Fermented foods add beneficial microbes. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics that kill good bacteria too. Get outside. Soil exposure diversifies your microbiome. Don't over-sanitize everything. Some bacteria exposure trains your immune system. A little dirt is actually good for you. Bacteria have been to space. They survive on the outside of spacecraft, proving they could travel between planets. Mars missions worry about Earth bacteria contaminating the red planet. Some scientists think life on Earth might have arrived on meteorites as bacterial hitchhikers. Bacteria might be the universe's space travelers. Scientists are just beginning to understand our bacterial partners. Personalized probiotics based on your unique microbiome. Bacteria programmed to produce anything we need. Living medicines that fight disease from inside. Bacterial computers that process information. The future isn't just human, it's a partnership with our microscopic allies. You are never alone. Trillions of bacteria work inside you right now, digesting your food, protecting your health, maybe even influencing your thoughts. They've been Earth's inhabitants for billions of years, and they're not going anywhere. So, here's to our tiny, invisible, essential partners. Thanks for watching, and take care of your microbiome.